Okay, so my last point is you're gonna have empathy and generosity for your peers. So for the other people working on their dreams, when you see them, you will have more empathy and have more compassion for them, and you will support them to the best of your ability. And so, personally in my case, I really admire entrepreneurs, because when I see them, I'm like, wow, it's very difficult to wake up every day at a specific time, to keep going, working on something that seems like it's not moving forward. And so you're gonna admire them. You're gonna have more compassion for your peers, and you're gonna respect what they do, because you know what's behind, you know the sacrifices that are behind. And this will make you more humble, have more empathy, and you will be more willing to help other people, which can be the road to more opportunities tomorrow, because when you're helping those people in the future, maybe you're gonna need help and they're gonna offer it. So thanks to all the empathy and the compassion you will have for your peers. So you never know.